for sure. So cold, but we're always coming back for more. Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure. Oh, I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead to let me smile for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't take that. Ain't gonna leave ya. Sabotage. You're a million. Explode every time you go and slam the door. Adore how we always end up on the floor. We know how to push the buttons to the core. I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again.
Hey guys, so I haven't really checked in at all today. I just have not felt like filming at all. I don't know what got over me. So I thought I'd just kind of check in and talk to you a bit about how today went. As far as workouts and movement, I did go to the gym today to my Warrior Sculpt class. I also took the dogs for a walk, about a little under an hour walk. I did not get up before 7 a.m. and I did not do my morning routine. I think I talked about this last week, but I am going to start attempting to wake up before 7:30 instead of 7 and hope that eventually I can get to 7 o'clock. But right now I'm not a morning person, you guys. I'm trying really hard, but I hate getting up. I was a little on the high side for my calories. I'm not sure what got into me, but I was really just snacky all day today, but I did stay within my calorie range. I do still have a calorie deficit. I was just on the higher end of my range, so my calorie deficit is a little smaller today, which it's okay. I'm still on plan. It's fine. So I'm just gonna quickly go over my food that I ate for today. I'm gonna look in my tracker here. So I had my pumpkin brioche twist with a half a tablespoon of butter for breakfast before I went to the gym. When I got back from the gym, I had turkey chili. That turkey chili is so good, you guys. And then I also had a half a serving of those pumpkin tortilla chips. For dinner, again, I was feeling snacky, so I had 3 of those hot and spicy chicken wings from Trader Joe's in the air fryer, along with 3 ounces of their seasoned waffle fries. For a snack, this is where I'm saying I was feeling really snacky. I had like 3 servings of some jalapeno lime chips. I know myself, I should have not bought chips this week, but I did. The chips are so good, but I probably cannot get chips again like that. And then I also had some sparkling watermelon juice, and then one of the Hold the Cones from Trader Joe's, just mini ice cream cones. It's the new pumpkin ginger. So good. My total calories for the day came in at about a little under 1650, which again is on the higher end of my range. I can have between 1400 and 1700 calories a day. I'm not sure yet what my deficit is. I wait until the very end of the day to log that, obviously, because I'm still moving around here and there. And also, I don't think I mentioned yet, but I got some new books. I have not been able to get into the books that I bought earlier. I was trying to read Discovery of Witches by Deborah Harkness, and I just cannot get into it, you guys, and I just have not been looking forward to reading. I went to the bookstore over the weekend and I got 4 new books, and hopefully that'll help me get into the habit of reading. I'm gonna be reading this book first, Cackle. I think it's a newer book by Rachel Harrison. I will let you know how I like it. But I am going to jump in the shower quick. I have to go into the office tomorrow, and then I'll read for a little bit, and it's time for bed. Hey guys, so it is Wednesday and I'm at home today. I decided I wanted to work from home today, so I just texted my boss this morning and she was fine with it. So I did go to the gym today. I took advantage of it. I went to the gym to a warrior sculpt class at 9:30. This morning I had just a little bit of that pumpkin brioche twist for breakfast before my class. And then when I got out, I did order a brown sugar oat milk shaken from Starbucks. You saw that I made the chili. I already ate it all. This chili is really good. I'll leave a link to that recipe down below so you guys can check it out. And I'm also trying out this poppy. I don't know. I think I'm late to the game here, but I think it's kind of like kombucha. This flavor is okay. It kind of tastes like, I don't even know. It says Doc Pop. I'm guessing it's kind of like Dr. Pepper. It does kind of taste like it. It's really good. And it's only 25 calories for this can. My favorite flavor so far is the strawberry lemonade. I will probably buy that again. I tried the orange. I'm not a fan of the orange. It tasted a little chemically, I guess, if that's a word. But anyway, I have some work to do. I need to do a few things here. I have a blanket here. It's cold in here. It's like 65 degrees in here and I refuse to turn on the heat right now. I have been putting on the fireplace once in a while, but the heat, no, not yet. I'm gonna finish doing some work and I'll check in with you guys in a bit.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything.
Alright, I haven't really checked in much today. I don't know how good this vlog is gonna be this week. I haven't gotten many clips. Kind of like last week, I didn't do a very good job of recording. I didn't show you guys my lunch after I got home from the gym. I did go to Starbucks to get a brown sugar oat milk shaken because I didn't eat any breakfast this morning and I was hungry and I was thirsty and I needed some caffeine. So I got some of that before I got home and then I had that chili again for lunch. I feel like my vlogs all look the same because I eat the same things every day, but that's the reality of a weight loss journey, right? I haven't really done anything else. I did work a little bit this afternoon and then I edited some more of my vlog from last week and now I am going to put on some pants because it's freezing. It's like in the 50s and 60s this whole week. I'm going to take the dogs for a walk and then I have an Amazon Flex block at 4 o'clock, so I'm going to have to leave probably around like 3:15. I think it's like 2 o'clock. Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 1:58 p.m.
Yeah, it's about 2 o'clock. So I am just going to put some pants on, take the dogs for a walk, and then take a shower because I haven't taken a shower today after my workout.
At least to stay alive and the time.
Just got home from working and I stopped at Crisp and Green to get a Bold and Buffalo bowl. This is 520 calories and that brings me to right in my range for the day. Today was very good. I'm gonna eat this. I have to go into the office tomorrow. It's a little after 8 right now. So I'm just gonna eat this, feed the dogs, let them out. They came with me to work and they need to eat now. And then I'm gonna read a little bit and get to bed.
Makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you
Hello and welcome to the weigh-in portion of today's video. Again, I don't want to leave you guys hanging and just putting the weigh-in and just signing off, so I wanted to come on here and kind of talk about the weigh-in and the rest of the weekend. So Friday is where I left off with you guys. I did not show much and I did not plan on going out or doing anything for Friday night because it was the premiere date of Hocus Pocus 2 and I decided that I would let myself eat whatever and watch the premiere of it. I had to watch Hocus Pocus 2 and I had to make an event out of it. I did not stay on plan that day. I think the only, let me get my spreadsheet out. The only items that I hit were get up before 7:30 and I journaled. I did nothing else that day. I also did not stay in a deficit, which again, it was planned even though I had to weigh in the next day. But it was actually kind of a surprise weigh-in for me, so we'll get to that in a second. But I did eat close to 3,000 calories, 2820 to be exact. I had had pizza when I got home. I had chips and cheese. I had some candy. I had pop. It's a little embarrassing to talk about, but I had quite a bit to eat Friday night. It's okay because I planned it. I was actually in a calorie surplus of 989 calories, so almost 1,000 calories. Not good. It is what it is. So Saturday, the next day, was October 1st, beginning of a new month. I did go to my warrior sculpt class, so I did get an hour of activity in for that day. My calories were a bit high, 1773, but I was still within a deficit, so I did still get that ticked off on my Project 50 checklist. I did quite a bit on Saturday. After the bad night I had on Friday, I still stuck with it the next day and kept going. So I did wake up before 7:30. I did my morning routine. I did my movement, like I said. The only things I didn't do was read or my new skill like usual, but I did follow the healthy diet and I journaled. I ate 1,773 calories, but I was still at a 539 calorie deficit, so still good. On Sunday I got together with my family again because my parents headed down to Arizona and we were also celebrating my mom's birthday, so I did eat over my calories again. So not a great week calorie wise or calorie deficit wise. I didn't do terrible. I didn't eat anything other than what I ate at my brother's house that day. My sister-in-law made some lasagna and some really good sides like garlic bread and corn and all of that, all the carbs. I also had quite a bit of wine. Oh, and we also had cake. I had to have the cake, of course. So I did eat about 2,353 calories for the day. I was in a surplus. My surplus was 180 calories. The items I checked off for Project 50, I woke up before 7:30. I did read that day. The one thing I never do, I did on that day, of course. And then I journaled, and everything else I did not do. So let's get to the weigh-in portion of the video. Last week I weighed in at 166 and I had lost a total of 0.6 pounds from the week prior. This week I weighed in at 165.4, which was a huge surprise considering my overeating on Friday night. I feel like my body is really weird. I tend to lose weight the morning after I overeat, which is really strange to me, and then I gain the following day. But anyway, weighed in at 165.4, another 0.6 pound loss. I am very pleased with that. My total loss actually for the month of September was 2 pounds, which is it's okay, but it's progress. But anyway, make sure you're subscribed and turn the notification bells on so you don't miss my video next week with my weigh-in, and I will see you guys then. Bye.
Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure.